Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ, and today I'm going to show you how you can change a program's GPU preference in Windows 10. So the first thing you need to do is you need to right click on the background, and you then need to click Display Settings. Now in the Display Settings, you then need to click Graphics Settings, and then in the Graphics Settings you need to either choose from Classic App or Universal App. Now the option that you choose will depend on the app that you want to change the preference of. So for example, if we select Universal App, and then we look at the list, these are all the Windows Universal apps that are installed on my computer that I can choose from, and if we change it to the Classic app, then this will be any other types of applications that you would install, such as Chrome or Blender on a computer. So if we select Classic app, then what we now need to do is we need to click Browse, and we need to find the launcher of the program that we want to change the preference of. So if I come back to this PC, and then I come into my C drive, you then need to find either in your program files or your program files x86, it depends which location the program is installed to, you need to find the launcher for that program. So if I go into program files, and then I click Blender Foundation, and then I click Blender, I can now change the GPU preference of Blender. So now if I select the Blender launcher, and I click Add, now we have Blender in the list of applications down here. So now if I click on Blender and then I click Options, I can now change the GPU preference. So as you can see, if I select Power Savings, then that will make the program use the integrated GPU, and if I select High Performance, then that will make the program use the dedicated GPU. So if I change this to High Performance and click Save, the program should now use the external GPU. Now if we change it from Classic to Universal App, and then we select an app in the list, so if I just select the calculator, and then I click Add, as you can see, just like before, it appears in your list, and if we click on the calculator, we can again click on Options, and we can change the GPU that the program uses. So if I just left it on Power Saving, then that would mean that the calculator should use the integrated GPU. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.